Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Zanussi brand washing machine and it's giving you an E61 error code and you're wondering what is this error code and how can I get rid of it? So first of all, the E61 error code is a heating error, so it's sensing a problem with the heating. So one thing we can do before trying to fix it, because there's not necessarily an easy way to fix this, but there's a workaround. I'm going to talk about a workaround in just a second. But because it could be the heater, it could be the sensor, it could be the wiring going to the heater, it could be the control board. This is not something with an easy, just like fix it type fix. But one thing you can do while you're waiting to get it fixed is you should be able to run your washing machine on a cold cycle. So you can use it and do as many cold washes as you want while you're waiting to get the heater fixed. And another thing I would recommend you do is to do a hard restart on the washing machine. So turn it off, unplug it from the wall, or turn it off at the circuit, leave it off for a full minute, turn it back on. See if that doesn't kind of just clear this error out. And if it doesn't, you're going to have to call a technician. But anyways, hopefully you're able to, by running cold cycles, you're able to use your washing machine while you're waiting to get it fixed. So anyways, hope this video helped you. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.